Now, your WLKY weather with meteorologist Mo Rose.
And back here in our neck of the woods, we are going to be dealing with a severe alert day, but it's not until this evening. Just want to give you a heads up. As far as the threats go for the storm system that's going to be rolling through, we're watching for the damaging wind gusts. Those can be pretty high, and that can also cause some triggers of a severe thunderstorm warning. The lower end threats are tornado, large hail, and flash flooding. Not to say they can't happen, but we're really keeping our eye on the damaging wind gusts. And wind advisory is already in effect. We could have winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour. Now, right now, it's not that bad. We've got breezes about 16 miles per hour out of the south, and that southerly flow is bringing us some nice warm air. It is 63 degrees already. And we're going to continue to climb in that 12-hour forecast. Here's a shot of the bridge. Got a couple of walkers out there, so I suggest if you are walking, be careful. Hold on tight because it gets even windier the higher up you are, especially on those bridges. 72 by 2 o'clock. We're going to be warming into the mid-70s before the storm system gets here. And then we're going to be watching for the rain to move in from the west. And there's going to be a line that develops that we'll watch that carefully. Really getting going later on this evening by 10 o'clock. It's definitely in the metro. I want to walk you through it on our forecast radar. We are in the clouds right now, but the rain, that's not going to be starting until later. And we're watching this line of showers. That's just ahead of this system, but it's this line that we got to be weather aware of. That is going to be over us by 10:30 or so. And heavy rain, gusty winds along the leading edge of this system. And then it's out of here. After midnight, we start to calm down. We are going to be holding on to that chance for some light showers behind this. The cold air is going to be moving in as well. And I want you to notice we got these little green splotches on the screen for tomorrow morning. And then the cold air starts to move in. I don't think we're going to be seeing some wet snowflakes, but if you live a little further to the east, you notice a lot of this green by Thursday evening is going to start turning to blue because that cold air is moving in. I don't think we're going to be that cold, but it will feel like it. Your first day of spring with 47 degrees and winds out of the northwest between 15 and 25 miles per hour. It's going to feel like the 30s. And then we're adding light rain and patchy drizzle. Overall, not going to be a pretty day. We can improve by Friday, though. We're back to more normal numbers for this time of year. We'll watch for some spotty showers late Friday, but we're dry and sunny at this point on Saturday with a high almost close to 60. And then scattered showers return on Sunday, mid-50s. We are drier, but falling into some cooler weather by this time next week with highs only in the 40s.